Trinity here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the December Slay Glam box. Stay tuned to see what's inside. Here it is. My neighbor opened it by accident. I have no idea what's inside of this though. First thing out of the bag is some lip glosses. Then we have some sponges by the Caitlin brand. They're mini face blenders. We have a lip liner set to go along with the lipsticks. Here they are. Very similar to my eye color today. So there's that one. This is by Rasha B Cosmetics. Then there's this one. They go on very smooth, not hard or chalky, very, very smooth. Then we have this one. Next thing we have is this palette. Also by Rasha B Cosmetics. And this is the colors. Let's swatch a few of these. I got this green, a purple, this pink, and this yellow. Here's the yellow, pink, the green. Don't think I put enough on my finger. That one doesn't swatch too well. And then there's this really vibrant pink. I really like this. It's very nice. But I have another palette from them, so I have this one. And I really like this one. So you can see how much I've used of it. And then the last thing in this bag is this little palette. I like the colors. So let's swatch these if I can get it open, because apparently I can't open stuff today. Ah, don't want to break it. That would be bad. So let's do this blue, this purple, and this reddish, like a orangey red. So there's the red, the purple, and the blue. Ooh, I like that blue. Now let's swatch some of these lip glosses, or whatever you want to call them. This one is in the name Wifey. Almost like a chocolate. Then we have Peaches. It's a very nudie pink. Then we have honey. That's almost like my skin color. Then we have Pooh Bear. The very warm sand brown. Then we have Sweet Pea. Which is a very nice rosy pink. And the last one we have here is called Puppet. It's a very, like, I would call it a magenta, dark magenta. And there's that. That was this month's box. I already have lipstick on, so if I didn't, I would have tried these on. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updated on our newest videos. Bye!